I know you want to see how I did this to my eyeballs. I know you do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, Anna. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. If you are interested in this look, then please keep watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more tutorials like this one. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette, and the first shade I'm picking up is OG, and I am building that up to the very outer corner of my crease, all the way into my inner tear duct. This is a kind of smoky cut crease, so we really want to make sure that we definitely have some color and coverage on my inner eye area. And then the next color I'm picking up is that gorgeous purple color, which looks like Semsa, but I don't know how to say it, so you know, my apologies. I am basically just going to be blending it right over top of that brown, leaving only a hint of that brown left over at the top. And then once I have it blended out to my liking, I'm picking up the shade Yugo, which is a gorgeous dark purpley brown, and I'm packing it on my outer corner, and I'm going to pat it instead of blend it out right away, and I pat it all the way to the middle of my crease, and then with the same brush that I use the purple color with, I'm going to blend it out, just like that. And then once I have it blended out, I'm kind of going to build that color up more towards the inner corner of my eye so I have a nice contrast when I do my cut crease. For my concealer and the cut crease, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. All I do is draw a line of concealer on my lash line and look up, and I have the perfect little, you know, do-it-yourself blueprint line to follow, and I'm packing the shade Leo onto my lid, which is that gorgeous bright aqua blue shimmery shade. It's so pretty. And then once I have it on, I'm going in with a little bit of Yugo, and I'm just patting it on that outer corner, and I'm making the bottom half of my lid, I'm bringing that shade to the middle of my lid. So as you can see, I kind of have a slant with that Yugo shade. That's the idea. Winged eyeliner is totally optional, but I felt like it was a necessity for this look, which I don't normally feel, but today I was feeling it. And then I just went ahead and tightlined with my Sigma Wicked Liner, which is the best black eyeliner I have ever owned. It's incredible. And then for my lower lash line, eyelid, whatever you want to call it, I'm using this orangey brown eyeliner in the shade Torch. It's the Urban Decay 24/7 liner. It's so good and so pretty, and it really makes greenish bluish, excuse me, eyes pop. So for my lower lash line, I am blending together the shades Yugo, and then I'm going in with a little bit of Sesma to blend that Yugo out, and then to just really smoke it out, I'm picking up some OG, so kind of the same idea that we used up top. And for this little shimmer moment, I'm using the shade Barb, which is, I believe, a pressed glitter, if I'm not wrong. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. This is the NYX Doll Eye Mascara, and I'm putting it on my top and bottom lashes. It's amazing on its own. However, you'll see we're going to go in with a little false lash moment here in a second. And then for my highlights, I am using Wasted. That's going right under my brow bone. And I'm just going to pop these off camera. These are magnetic eyelashes that I just did a video on, so I will leave that link down below. They are amazing, so easy to put on. And then I'm just touching up the rest of my face makeup. This is the the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, and this is just kind of me touching up and recontouring my nose. So if you see, I'm not putting the contour on the side of my nose, I'm actually putting it on the top of my nose and blending it down to create that extra shadow, making my nose look slimmer. And this is the NARS Starseed Cheek Palette. I'm using both of the blushes and the highlight out of it. It's so pretty. The highlight really complements this look well. It's a nice, like, very light gold champagne-y color, so it's really great. It's not a stark white beaming highlight, and it's not a pinky one. It's just amazing. I went ahead and I'm putting on some MAC Honey Love, which is a gorgeous nude color. It's one of my favorite nudes from MAC. It's such a staple. And then you could leave it by yourself or add some gloss like I decided to do. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Kristen Lip Gloss, which I've gone through so many tubes of. I love it. And that is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back with a new video soon. Bye, guys.